Today we have a speaking test. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay. What is your name? My. Good. How old are you? How old are you? I. 4 and 5 and 6. How old are you? I'm 4. Good job. How are you today? I'm happy. Good job. What animal is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. Okay. What does a dog say? What does a dog say? Woof woof. Good job. What animal is it? Good. What does a cow say? Yay. What animal is it? What does a pig say? A pig says? Okay. What animal is it? A cat says? Good. What animal is it? Good. What color is the baby duck? It's yellow. Good. What animal is it? Good. What color is the horse? It's brown. Okay. What animal is it? Good. What color is the sheep? It's white. Good. What animal is it? Good. What animal is it? What animal is it? Good job. Now, what do you see? I see cows. What do you see? 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 I see a well. Good job. What letter is this? R. What letter is this? What letter is this? G. What letter is this? Q. What letter is this? X. Good job. High five. Let's say goodbye, teacher. Good job.